Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change itemized to standard deduction on TurboTax. This is a useful feature if you want to compare which deduction method gives you a better tax return, or if you simply need to adjust your filing approach based on your financial situation. Start by opening your TurboTax app. You can do this by opening a browser and heading to turbotax.intuit.com. Once the page loads, sign into your account if you haven't already. Make sure you have your login credentials ready, as you'll need them to access your tax return. Once your account has loaded and you're on your TurboTax dashboard, you'll need to navigate to the Deductions section to change Itemized to Standard Deduction on TurboTax. Start by heading to your left navigation menu and click on Federal. A drop-down option will appear with several choices. From here, hover your cursor over Deductions and Credits. An additional menu will appear on the side. This menu contains all the different deduction categories you can manage. From this menu, click on Deductions and Credits Summary. This is where TurboTax keeps track of all the deductions you've entered or selected. From the list of deduction and credits summary listed, scroll down and click on Continue. This button takes you further into the deduction settings. You'll then be prompted with a question asking if you want to enter your sales tax information. Select No, we don't, then click on Continue. This skips the sales tax section and moves you directly to the deduction type selection. Now your standard deduction will be presented on the screen. This is the deduction TurboTax automatically applies based on your filing status. To change it from itemized or vice versa, click on Change Deduction. A small window will appear giving you the option to switch between deduction types. From here, you can set your deduction type from standard deduction or itemized deduction. Simply click on which option you wish to use, whether that's standard or itemized, then click on Continue. TurboTax will now apply your selected deduction method to your tax return. And that's it. You've successfully changed your deduction type in TurboTax, and you can now proceed with the rest of your tax filing using the method that works best for your situation. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.